Hello, beautiful souls! These are the materials we will need to make our gemstone necklace. 70 centimeters of waxed cord. I use a polyester one. A lighter. A pair of scissors. And 2 crystal nuggets of your choice. Mine are approximately 10 millimeters. Let's get started. All we have to do is take our waxed cord and pass our crystal nuggets through each end of our cord. In the description below, you can find all the measurements. Now we will measure 4.5 centimeters of cord to create our sliding knot. We will create a sliding knot on each side. To make our knot, we will make 2 loops and carefully pass the end of our string through both of our loops. Our sliding knot is ready. We will repeat the same process on the other side. Now that both of our sliding knots are ready, all we have to do is trim our edges a bit, because we don't want them to be too long. And we will slightly burn them, because we don't want them to fray. I also burn my knots just to be sure that they are secured. In the description below, you will find a link to a very similar necklace on Etsy. Our gemstone necklace choker is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Sending you love and light.